let me now give you a background of how I started. Okay, ang ano po no, ang si Sir John Caleb niyo po, para lang mas malalim po yung pagkakilala niyo po sa akin, I am actually the owner of several companies, hindi lang po isa. Alright, pero ang pinaka original na tinayo ko po na company, yung pinakaunang-una po nung ako po ay napasok sa larangan ng self-improvement ay ang John Caleb Training International. Yan po yung logo na nakikita niyo po sa gilid. At para lang po magkaroon kayo din ng confidence, ang aking kumpanya po ay hindi po bago. Ito po ay 14 years old na po, na standing strong po, na nandyan po yung kumpanya. Tumagal na po siya ng more than 1 decade po. Alright? It is a very stable company, and I'm proud to say that in the last 14 years ay nakapag-generate po ng income ang aking kumpanya ng more than 9 figures po. Alright? From multiple revenue streams in the last 14 years. So when you say 9 figures po, hindi po 1 milyon ang kinita po ng kumpanya ko in the last 14 years. Ang kinita po natin dito ay more than 100 million pesos na po. Alright? At ito po ay honored by top corporations in the Philippines. We are multi-awarded. And ito po yung pinakamaganda, no? 14 years po na wala po kaming record ng any fraud or any estafa case. Wala po kaming record ng scam or ng loko ng kahit sinong Pilipino or kahit sinong foreigner around the world. Alright? Wala pong cases against the company po, no? And we have around 300,000 graduates globally. Alright? So, yan po yung pinaka-power natin. At sino po yung mga naging kliyente ng John Caleb Training? Sino po yung mga top corporations ng buong Pilipinas na nagtiwala na po sa atin, na nagbayad po para to avail of our training and coaching services? Andyan po ang Citibank, which is a global giant po, no? Isang napakalaking bangko sa buong mundo. GMA7, na number 1 TV station in the whole world. Philippine Daily Inquirer po ay kliyente din po natin. This is the biggest newspaper sa buong Pilipinas. Ang sister company nila is Hinch Inquirer Publications, Richmond Hotel, Antel Land Holdings Real Estate, New San Jose Builders, a billion peso real estate company. Ito rin po, mga billion peso companies po ito. Robinson's Land, Federal Land, Mega World, alright? And ito po yung mga iba pa pong real estate, Bayan Trade, Plus Builders, at marami pa pong mga industriya tulad ng Edmark International, Phil Estate, Mount Zion, Amway, Network 21, Insular Life, Green Circle Realty, Royal Homes po ay Santa Lucia Realty po, no? Herbalife, Land Bank of the Philippines, even Land Bank po, ang gobyerno po ay kliyente po natin, no? Philippine AXA Life, Sun Life, Philam Life, Manulife, Great Life, basta may life. Hindi ko na isa. Wala pa dito yung Pro Life, ang dami pa, no? Ayan, pati po yung mga networking ay kliyente po ni Sir John. Kaibigan ko po ang halos lahat ng mga may-ari ng pinakamalalaking networking. Hindi lang po kaibigan, mga family friend po natin yan. Andyan po ang New Skin, AIM Global, at marami pa pong iba. Partialist lang po ito. Dahil pag nilagay ko po dito, lahat ng kliyente natin for 14 years, abutin po tayo ng Pasko para basahin ko po lahat ng kanina. So, gusto ko pong makita nyo to kasi para ma-realize nyo po na hindi po tayo maliit na kumpanya. Kung ang mga billion peso companies po ay nagtitiwala at nagbabayad po sa atin, ito na po ay isang matinding senyales ng ating kredibilidad sa buong Pilipinas po. Siguro naman hindi naman po makikipagnegosyo sa atin ang Robinson's Land, pati po ang SM group of companies, at ang, for example, ang GMA7 kung tayo po ay isang scammer. At ito po yung awarding ceremony na kung saan lahat po ng yung mga top speakers po ng buong mundo na feature po sa iba-ibang mga media tulad ng Forbes magazine ay pinatawag po sa Hollywood, at competition po ito at pinagpilian po sino yung pinakamagagaling. And fortunately po si Sir Janyo ay isa sa mga na-award na one of the top thought leaders and one of the best speakers ng buong mundo dito po sa Hollywood. Etong lugar po kung saan po ako ma-awardan ay dito po ina-award ang Oscars. Kung nanonood po kayo ng pinaka malaking award sa buong mundo pagdating sa pag-aartista. Sa Hollywood po yan ina-award. The same hotel kung saan po nag-a-awarding, dyan din po inawardan si Sir John. So let's watch this video clip.
The National Association of Experts, Writers, and Speakers created the XP Award to honor individuals from all around the world who've shared their knowledge through media, writing, and speaking.
Every man and woman is programmed in their DNA to want to be great.
If you become the person you'd like to be, you get the life you would like to live as a natural byproduct.
If you believe that you have a message that matters, then you do not have the luxury of being quiet. You will not win by being quiet. The world wins when you are heard.
Volition is the power of choice. So every day you wake up, right? You're free to choose. You can be positive or negative. You can choose to build things up or tear them down. You can choose to be uncommon. You can choose to pursue your dreams. He said, but understand, every choice you make every day is writing the legacy of your life.
It's a tremendous honor to receive one of these awards, and this year we had many amazing applicants.
And the next recipient for a Media and Communications XP for Forbes magazine, John Anthony Caleb.